So, today I just wanted to talk about how I feel towards myself. Yes, this is something very close to my heart. I wrote this piece way back, and today I wish to share it with you all. This is a letter to myself, more like an open letter to myself, and hence it's called Dear Me. So here is the open letter which I wrote, and it goes like: Dear me, in the quiet moments when the world feels too heavy, remember this. There's a strength in you that you often overlook, a resilience that has carried you through the darkest nights and will continue to guide you through the storms. Today, I write to you not as a reflection of who you were, but as a beacon of who you are becoming. Being a girl in today's society is no easy feat. We are asked to be everything, to be strong yet gentle, ambitious yet humble, bold yet modest. We carry the weight of expectations that often seem too heavy, and we navigate a world that at times feel very unforgiving. But my dear, remember that within you lies the power to define your own worth, to set your own standards, and to create a life that honors your truth. There will be lows, moments that the light seems to be dim and the path ahead feels unclear. In these times, it's easy to question your purpose, to doubt your journey, but these are the moments that will shape you, that will carve out space for growth and transformation. Embrace them, for they are much of a part of your story as the highs. They are the chapters that will teach you about resilience, about finding beauty in the brokenness, and about the quiet strength that lies in getting up again and again and again. The journey to self acceptance and self love is not a straight line. It is like a winding road with detours and dead ends. There will be days when you will feel at odds with yourself, and when the reflection in the mirror seems more like a stranger than a friend. But know this: you are enough, just as you are. Every flaw, every imperfection, every scar tells you a story of survival, of courage, and of a life lived fully. Learn to love yourself in the way you wish the world could love you, unconditionally, fiercely, and most importantly, without any hesitation. And as you stand at the threshold of future, remember that you hold the pen of your own story. The past is written, but the future is yours to create. Let go of the fear that holds you back, the doubt that whispers you're not capable. You are capable, more than you know. The dreams you hold close to your heart are there for a reason, and they are within your reach. So, my dear self, walk forward with your head held high and your heart open. Trust in the journey, in the process of becoming. Embrace the unknown with the same fervor that you embrace the familiar. For it is in the unknown that the most beautiful chapters of your life will unfold. So, here's to a future filled with hope, with possibility, and with a love that starts from within and radiates outwards. Here's to you, strong, resilient, and endlessly worthy. Signing off with love from me to me.